Okay, so I got it open now. I use this box as a tool that I use to help sit you up so you can see what I'm doing. This is Homeowner Chronicles Part 2. So this actually comes ready. Ready. It come ready. See that right there? Use this on this. Dry it off a bit. Prime it, prime it, prime it. Oh, they don't go on the inside, it going outside. Might use the other piece now. Let me see. Yep, that piece work. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. Come on in. Okay, so I'm priming this too. This is what it said to do. Because those two pieces go together. So then, it said to prime this again. So I'm priming that again. Prime that again. Priming that again. Now, I had to use a wrench to open the other one. So I'm going to use it to open this one too.
Why is it unpackaged? Well, not unpackaged.
So this is the sticky stuff. So it say to put the sticky stuff in here, and then put the sticky stuff around here, and then bloop bloop, bloop bloop, stick it together. Now we're gonna try to get some of this excess stuff off. Can you see the bloop bloop? It's already sticking, so I can't really do too much to it. So that is it stuck together. So the second part, got to do the same thing to this on both sides though. And then I got to prime the pipe that was up there and cut. Okay, so prime this side. Prime this side. Glue. Sticky glue. I don't know if you can see sticky glue over here too. Okay. Then we're going blue boop. Blue boop. Okay. So we're gonna sit this right here and let this get what it needs to do. And then we gotta go over. Naya, do you mind holding this? Naya is gonna be my camera assistant today.
Is that a moth? Or is that germs stuff?
There's a little bit of everything down here, baby. It's the basement and the unfinished room, so you got a lot of stuff. Okay. So let me put my gloves on because my hand's getting sticky. Sticky, icky, icky. Okay. So we're gonna take this. I need a working table. So we're gonna do this thing. Can't put it up under there like this. You got a lot of water in it because it's drained the water a couple times. Okay. You don't have to show my face, but you can just show what I'm about to do. So make sure that this is dry and clear of debris. Now, there was some debris on there because I had put some sealant on there when I was using the bad part. Now we got the good part. We're going to put the new bolt on there. We're going to prime it. Prime, prime, prime time. We're going to prime it. Okay, we primed it. Now, we're going to prime this. It's just priming, it's just putting a little bit on there. Okay, we got the glue. We're going to put the sticky glue on this. And then we're going to put the sticky glue on this too. It's Mom the Builder coming at you. I'm gonna put some more sticky glue on this. And then we're gonna put it on to seal it. So now this is gonna go like this. Okay, new part. New part alert, new part alert. Hey, new part alert, new part alert. This is the new part that we gonna use today. This is the new part. The other one is over that way. Okay. Primer.